Today, we're exploring the journey of Amber Frey, the woman who became an unwitting central figure in one of the most notorious criminal cases in American history. In late 2002, Amber began dating Scott Peterson, unaware that he was married to Laci Peterson, who was 8 months pregnant at the time of her disappearance. When Amber discovered the truth, she immediately contacted the police and became a key witness for the prosecution. So, where is Amber Frey now? Let's find out. Amber Frey's life was thrust into the national spotlight during the 2004 trial of Scott Peterson. Her testimony, backed by secret recordings she made of her conversations with Scott, was instrumental in his conviction for the murder of Laci and their unborn son, Connor. Following the trial, Amber authored the best-selling book Witness for the Prosecution of Scott Peterson and attempted to return to her life as a massage therapist. However, the shadow of the case followed her for decades, as she balanced being a mother of two with the occasional media appearance to discuss the enduring impact of the tragedy. In 2024, Amber resurfaced in the public eye through the Netflix docuseries American Murder, Laci Peterson. In the series, she provided a vulnerable look at her experience, reflecting on the trauma of being manipulated by a killer and the courage it took to stand up in court. The documentary reignited public sympathy for her, with many praising her as the unsung hero who ensured justice was served. Where is Amber Frey now? As of now, Amber Frey is living a private life in Central California, where she has resided for several years. She continues to work as a licensed massage therapist, a career she has maintained despite her past notoriety. She remains focused on her family, including her grown children, and has largely stayed away from social media to preserve her privacy following the 2024 surge in media attention. Professionally, Amber has leaned into her identity as a survivor and advocate. Throughout 2025, she has been involved in several speaking engagements focused on domestic violence awareness and the importance of trusting one's intuition. While she has moved on from the legal drama, she remains an official witness on record, and her legal team continues to monitor any developments in Scott Peterson's ongoing appeals and his recent efforts to seek a new trial based on DNA evidence. Amber Frey has transformed from a tabloid headline into a symbol of resilience and integrity. While the Peterson case will always be a part of her story, she has successfully built a life defined by her own choices rather than the actions of the man she once trusted. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on individuals from high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.